Good afternoon, everybody. We're in the closing bell on the weekly chart alert on the Dow Jones. Yes, we could take a look at how the Dow has come down, broke below a 50-week moving average. Now we're testing right on top of a 150-week moving average. We have on the daily chart the daily sell signal that is on the Dow minus 135. We are testing what I call a major trend line, and that trend line at this moment is the weekly breakout bar on 1023 of 22. Now, when we get back over here where we held great support on 1218 across these areas, that was great, and it was. But now the Dow, when we take a look at where the top was on 212, right there was resistance. It starts with the weekly down move. It tests that 50-week moving average. We got a nice bounce. 50-week has been declining on the chart. And we are in the beginning of an oversold Dow. That we are. And the interest rate hikes and everything that has played out, everything we've covered all week, is taking place right now. The market had ran too far too fast. It's on the YouTube channel over the last couple of months, all the analysis there, that we were going to come down. I was calling for a correction. All the analysis live right here on the YouTube channel. And we're seeing it now starting to play out. So once they hit the oversold conditions, then that is when we look at getting stocks long off of short-term bottoms. With this amount of selling, we think that we have a chance next week, if that CPI inflation data is not hot, you will get a rally. And we're on the sideline. You know, we did the SPX update. It was oversold, and it was ready to have a short-term intraday bounce off of those lows from the hardcore selling. Now, we're nowhere out of the woods on that Dow, and if you want to sign up, I would get signed up. We have lots of services. Oh boy, do we ever. And when you look at the daily chart on the Dow, you can see where the trend line is testing way up here where that breakout in the Dow took place. That's the first breakout from the lows, but the diagonal trend line that I have goes right here. That was on 11/3. I remember it, November 3rd of 22. And we rallied up and we made highs, and we had a very good acting Dow. But when the Dow made the highs here on the daily, we've gone straight down below the 200-day moving average. That daily sell signal, it's getting worse. So momentum is when you buy the dip, you sell into the rip.